guess what? It is our first snow day. And I really cannot believe that I'm saying that because it's like November 11th and we've already had snow. It was literally like 75 degrees a couple of days ago, and then I think the day after tomorrow it's going to be like 65 again, and we just had this really cool day of snow. So here we are. I think it's going to be like a high of 41, 42 degrees today. So I don't know how much is going to melt, but I do know that our driveway is a little covered and it's very steep, and I am not taking any chances. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started with taking care of some of the animals this morning. We're gonna let the chickens out and go check on the goats. You guys are gonna get stuck. Who's gonna get out first? Who's getting out first? Oh! Any stragglers left behind? Oh. Come on. She said no. My daughter has completely just made a contraption out of the chicken coop, and she built this like little, I don't even know what this concoction is for the chickens to roost on. And she climbed up it the other day and she found 59 eggs above these little attic spaces. And I had no idea that chickens were laying eggs there. So I had to, of course, dispose of all those eggs. And now I'm coming up to check and see if there are any eggs up there, if they've been laying. These little attic, I don't know, I just call them attic spaces that we built. We were putting, like storing some chicken things up there, but the chickens like to roost over here. And we're gonna see if there are any eggs. Oh, I see one. The question is, are there any eggs over here? I don't think so. No. So now I am gonna try to climb. Hopefully not hurt myself. This egg. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to come up here and clean some of that off. But now I gotta check up there every day for eggs. Oh, are you coming back in? Is it too cold? We gotta get food for the chickies. Food for the chickies. Come on. This wind is so cold. It's so cold, babies. It's so cold. Hi, Darla. It is the next day, and do you think that I got anything done yesterday? No. The day was like this, and then immediately it took a turn and went downhill. So I did get a few loads of laundry done. I'm going to switch laundry over, and then we are immediately going to the living room and unloading all the Halloween stuff out of the arched cabinet because it is driving me insane at this point. We are not going to decorate for Christmas yet. I do like to get a little bit closer to Thanksgiving before I start to put my Christmas decorations out. I just feel like I need a little bit of a break from the Halloween stuff, and then I do like to leave some minimal fall things out, and then we will get into Christmas. But I am not a day after Halloween Christmas girly, and I will never be one of those. So let's get it going. So I'm just taking out all of the Halloween stuff in here, and then I'm going to just leave a few fall items in this cabinet. I am so excited to decorate this cabinet for Christmas, but I'm just not quite ready to get all of the Christmas stuff out yet. Like I said, I like to get at least up until the week of Thanksgiving. The turkey deserves his time to shine as well. I just have a few items in the kitchen I need to grab, and then we're going to put everything in our containers and take these back into the attic space. Now, let me know in the comments below, are you a day after Halloween Christmas decorator, or do you kind of like to get through Thanksgiving or closer to Thanksgiving and then decorate for Christmas? What do you like to do? Honestly, I'm just so curious. I did a poll on one of my other pages, and I asked, like, do you prefer to decorate right after the Halloween or closer to Thanksgiving? And, you know, honestly, I was so shocked because everybody's like, closer to Thanksgiving, but you get on social media and everybody is pushing Christmas stuff, I swear, sometimes starting in September, and it's just, it really kind of gets a little overwhelming. Like, let's just give everything its time to shine. right, y'all, we're getting this laundry folded up. Remember, a load a day keeps the laundry away. It's not true, though, because it never stays away. But make sure you get your load of laundry done today, and I will see you all again next time. If you enjoy this video and want to see more, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe and leave a comment below.